Now, I welcome you guys to I think this is the fourth video. Now we continue with where we stop, which is string slicing. Now the next one we'll be doing now is slicing with a step. That is right new introduction equals to like the kg. Now, what is slicing with a step? Slicing with a step is all about like if you want to like cut a part. But the step here is that it will leave some characters. It will jump from one character to another. How can I explain it? Let me use the definition here. Until now, slicing has been used to obtain a contiguous piece of a string. That is, all the characters from the string index to before the ending index are retrieved. However, a step can be divided through which characters in the string can be skipped. The default step is 1, so it reads through the string one character at a time. So what we mean by like slicing with a step is all about like you want to slice now. That we slice normal like ADE and to print out ADE for us. Now what if we now want it to be skipping some characters, like want you to skip one character? That's where step comes in. Like as I said, you want to slice print name. Let's say you want to print out DE. So DE. So where DE starts from? 0, 1. That stands 1 stands for D and DE. And I know I told you guys that paying. Sorry, I'm kind of D stands for 1, E stands for 2, and this D stands for 3. But I told you guys we have to use 3 so as it print out the complete something for us. So it print out the right. So that's how we just start. Now, what if like I want to print out A E E I? Okay, let's just use A E. Like I want it to skip D. You understand? I want it to print out AE. How will I do that? That's where step comes in. 0, then 3, right? It will print out ADE. But I want it to skip this D. How will I use it? Now, when this the default step, what do I mean by default step? Because it over Python one is that the default step is 1. I will just be skipping 1 and it will be printing out the next. It will be getting the next. But if I actually use it to 2, that's I want you to be skipping one character. So after if this 0 colon 3 will get me ADE, but I don't put step inside them, which means it firstly gets me my A. If you now skip D, it now gets me my E. You can see. Let me use a long sentence, a long name, so that you guys will understand. Now, Emmanuel, yeah. Now let's now say 0 to 7. It will give me what? It gives me Emmanuel. Now let me change it to 5. Yeah, let me change it to 5. So that we can get maybe let me use -1. So to print out Emmanuel, same thing. Now sorry, let me use it. So it prints out everything. Now let me now see I want you to be skipping like 0 colon 8 it gives me everything. Please, I want you guys to understand because me yourself, I don't know how to explain very well. Like this 0 colon 8 it gets me everything in manual. Now, what if I want it to be skipping one character and I want you to get me EMNUNEN? No, sorry, EM. If you get me E, if you skip this N, if you bring out the next N. If you now skip A again, it will give me N. If you now skip U, it will now give me E. So that means you're skipping one character, then I use 2. You can see. But you can buy one skip and one character kọ̀ọ̀kan. You're skipping one character. That is slicing the step. So if you use 3 like this, it will be skipping 2 characters. You can see it gives me a. So that's everything about step. It will be skipping. What can I skip? Now the next thing now is reverse slicing. So reverse slicing is just Like if I want to be slicing it from the back, you know, say I tell you that -1 refers to the last character, right, which is L. Now, reverse slicing is all about like 13 abi 13. Okay, Emmanuel, let's start from 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 0, 1, 2. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 2. Let's say 7 to 0. If I it will bring out an error. It doesn't understand it. But you know, see, it is reverse. So for you to understand it, I have to put the step of -1, which I now understand it. Oh my Shebai, you can see all reverse everything. You can see it's reverse everything. Or change everything. So I think guys understand. It just the thing is, the secret about this thing is just play with it. Just the thing. I can't teach you everything. But I've just tried my best. Just explain all these things with your phone. That's why I said you have to download this application for you to understand. Just be playing with it. This partial splicing, I give it for you guys. Just go and it is like the examples they give us is well explanatory. So that's all about that. Sha.